Rocket ready to make your mark in the maintenance world? Discover the only strategy you need to skyrocket your career from handyman to six-figure pro. Money bag sparkles. Right finger step 1. Ditch the dirty overalls, become a brand that customers trust. Your name, logo, and online presence can set you apart. Right finger step 2. Don't wait for referrals, dominate platforms like Google, Facebook, and Yelp. Show the world your skills and watch the customers roll in. Right finger step 3. Systematize everything. Use apps for scheduling and invoicing to build an operation that thrives without you. Collision the goal? Build the business, not just the job. You're not just fixing things, you are creating a valuable asset. Join the Achuma maintenance movement and learn how to turn your tools into millions. Biceps wrench. Subscribe for more insider tips. #maintenance mastery #entrepreneur life #Achuma